Outstanding.
This is a Prince Swanny Dreams inspired beat. For this tutorial video, it's like me take the concept of the particular song and try to build a concept like beat. Not remaking the beat, but in a similar fashion, inspired like. Without further ado, the first sound is C7 Grand from Sample Tank 4, and this is the first chord progression that I have, and this is what it sounds like. Same sound, different chord progression. The second sound on this list is a melody, a simple melody going on from FL Keys, grand piano, and this is what the melody sounds like. The third sound on this list is Stereo Quartet 2 from Triton. It's a strings preset. I pretty much copied the chord progression, and this is what it sounds like. Next sound on this list is Celeste Cloud Harp from Signal, a contact library, and I turned off Pulse Engine A and pretty much have Pulse Engine B as is. Same chord progression, and this is what it sounds like. Next sound on this list is from Reactor 6 from the 2 oscillator synthesizer bank from the Beliro preset, and this is what it pretty much sounds like. Next sound on this list is the bass from Roland Jupiter 8 from Roland Cloud, and this is what it sounds like. This is the chord progression also. Drum pattern, and this is what it sounds like. And all drums are from my trap dancer drum kit. You can get it on the website at eldoradoproductions.com. Today, this is what the beat sounds like in concept. Pretty nice beat, and I hope you're liking it, and hope you really get something from this beat. That simple beats can be awesome also. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Helps with this video and let it reach out to more people. Until the next time I catch you in the next video, peace out.